Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. I'm Tom, and today you're riding along with me as I drive to Cedar City in beautiful southern Utah. But first I'd like to say welcome to my channel, and if this video is something you find entertaining, I would encourage you to check out some of the other videos from this trip or other road trips I have taken. I'd also appreciate it if you support my channel and the creation of more videos just like this one by clicking that like button and becoming a subscriber as well. Lastly, I'd also like to thank you for taking the time out of your day to travel along with me on some of the best highways that America has to offer. So this video begins at the Timber Creek Overlook Trailhead / Kolob Canyons picnic area inside Zion National Park. From here, we'll drive back to I-15 on the scenic drive accessing the Kolob Canyons area. After reaching I-15, we'll take the short trip north to Cedar City, which is where this video will end. This video is from the 6th day of my 10-day adventure to California and back, which will include video from a handful of national parks and monuments, as well as over 6,000 miles of dashcam footage from 14 states, including ones that we've already released like Arizona, Texas, and Oklahoma, but also from upcoming states like Colorado and Kansas. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss anything. But for now, I'm going to keep driving along the Kolob Canyons inside beautiful Zion National Park. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video from this trip, we'll head up the Marquigant Plateau to Cedar Breaks National Monument. So make sure to subscribe so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching. And until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.